You can be your biggest enemy, you know. And you think that people are fighting, you know. You can be your biggest enemy and you think that people are try hurt you or bring you down, stop you. When you are your biggest enemy, you know. You see? In your own doings, you actually hurt yourself. But you can't accept, say, what I did was messed up. What I did hurt me. And a human nature. Because nobody no innocent when it comes down to that. We are our worst enemies. See? Now, TuLOX from Twin of Twins. I know TuLOX years now, him and his brother, Curly Locks. Years I know them. I actually met Vanessa Bling through TuLOX, through the twin them. Actually, I was introduced to her, or I met her on a video shoot that Curly Locks and TuLOX, they were doing a tribute to one of them son. I don't remember which one of them son had passed away. Right? They were doing a tribute. And there was where I met Vanessa Bling, and she was singing like an angel. Great piece of singing. And I say, who that little girl there? See? In time there, I get to find out that she live beside my mother in the country. See? So that is where I met Vanessa Bling, who became the great Gaza Slim. See? Under the guidance of Vibes Cartel. See? So at one point, the twin them could have been instrumental in Vanessa Bling's career, or they could have actually, took the initiative and, bring her to the forefront. Like I could have had that opportunity as well. But of course, she would have to know what she want them time there. Because me say, a music, me see them a produce, but I do with her. See? So me and the twin them, I always rate the twin them, The twin. Sorry, not the twin them, the twin. Curly and TuLOX. Rate them. Like, yo, listen to them reasoning and how them reasoning deep, and me learn whole heap from them. See, me remember when me go in a church and them thing that me learn about religion and them thing that me all post up some video me find with them. I post them on my page and me I say, yo, I'm a G them, rate them. See? Me and them just do the record song release. So me I say, yeah man, I really youth them here. Really youth them here, see? But you see that thing on the internet? It's dangerous too, That thing I call internet dangerous too. Enough things get misconstrued, enough things people do and pretend as if they don't mean it to be harmful. That's what I say. Enough things people do, And them things say, you don't know, say. I hurt them, I try hurt you, and them been a try hurt you from day one. When you, they rate them and respect them and would have give them a helping hand. Them not see it that way there, them not pray that way there, them not look on it that way there. See? So, how me and TuLOX start go back and forth? And how me I try correct him? Because I correct him, I did a correct him, And she said, oh, him stiff-necked. See? Him hard ears. So of course him ego get the best of him. To the point where him start style me wickedly. Now watch this now. A teaching lesson, listen, a teaching point the man. It's a case study. The thing we happened the other day with the interview, when I go back in night, everybody know about it already. The interview we do with Jeffrey. People are beat him. Alright. People are dealing wicked. Alright. One of the persons them where him became a disciple for. Right? He became a disciple for Foota Hype, see? And him start run with Foota Hype and him start praise Foota Hype and him see Foota Hype as a person where them a fight for the same cause, whichever way it may, you know, offend anyone or bias or whatever. So we say Foota misogynistic, we say TuLOX became misogynistic to or maybe him start show the misogynistic side. So whenever them speak about women, them call them termites and this and, you know, they always the woman always at fault. I'm a point it out. But why it get to that point that when me a point out with TuLOX I do? Because in truth, it's not supposed to get to that point that based on how me did rate them, it's not supposed to get to that point that when I have to publicly point out with TuLOX I do, you know. I should be able to can pick up the phone and say, General, you know, so you have to be careful, you know, because I know you're going to try to put across a message, but it come across as misogynistic. So you can change the approach in how you deliver the reasoning. See? And that's our teacher, because me don't know if the person is him teacher, but I'm my teacher. That's one of our teachers, right? What do they do? Or what do they do with we? If me, I'm a call name, Mikey Bennett. You see? Me have him as my teacher. I don't know if them have him as Mikey Bennett as my teacher. So we maybe have a mutual teacher. So Mikey Bennett, if I put forward something and Mikey Bennett and I agree with it, him that link me and him say, yeah man, you know, said that was a good message, you know, but I just, you see, if it just, I need it just, and I'm get it. Because, you understand me, I say, you put forward the work and you know, immune to criticism, you know, have that iron dome there, excuse me, you have an iron dome where nobody can get through to you. So you don't want to have that. So if one of our mutual teacher would have reached out to me and say, Ray, I say, yeah man, teacher man, Ray. Boom. But I realize, say, we lose that something there. It passed the point that when we could have reached out to a TuLOX and say, I don't agree, you know, but a good message and it, maybe we can tweak the message. We can tweak the message. Make it come across so it not hurt. It not hurt an already abused person. Or it not double victimize somebody who is a victim. You understand what I say? Like case in point. Kirby, when she and Major Hype had the situation, we don't know what happened. Right? We didn't know what happened. Right? So I would not go out there and take a stance like, yo, a girl a termite and them girl a termite. Only to find out that Major Hype was really abusing her based on the public record now and the court filed, the case filed. See? No. The reason why I talk about this, Curly Locks did a video in the midst of what is going on with his brother, right? And when I watched Curly Locks video, me actually learned something from the video. Zine? Me actually appreciated the fact that him speak about what his brother is going through, but him speak about it in a way where it not come off as him a fight against him brother. In my view, it not come off as him a disrespect him brother, him a throw him brother under the bus. When me pick, what I got from the video was, one about them man, you know. So you have to just take your beating. But the beating where you get is not a physical beating, because if somebody I go physically try bring harm to you, me I go get involved as your brother. But the beating we get online, you have to just know, say, you mix up in the wrong company. You see? I never see nothing wrong with that. Me think, and the man went off, and the person who you became a disciple for, the person who you start to look up to, the person who you start to align yourself with, and the man has said, me never want about the man here. Me tell you, so you can't trust them people here. Me think say the public rebuke there, or the public correction there, me think say it was healthy. Me think say that it show say, yo, you see my brother, I go hear what I'm saying because them people are wicked for you, you know. Because look how the man with me used to rate so much. Come and style me up as be man and shaky man and do the man. See? Me think say a man could have learned from that and say, either like, he must tap on my brother. And me I do some things and he must tap on one me half the year, one me half the year. How am I go get myself in a problem? See, now he must tap the on the internet and say, me did one, you know, but you never listen. So you see the people them the way they run up and down with, you know, see them turn them back on you. I don't feel no way, me that say a real thing you talk energy. Yeah man, real thing you talk. But TuLOX can't accept that. Him couldn't accept the fact, say, yo, you know, so my brother did the right. Because your ego still me youth. I get the best of you. You have to just accept, say, yo, my brother right, you know. You have to just act, because you are going, the evidence is there. The people them with the man I want about and I say, stay away from these wicked people. At them, you go tie up yourself with and look on them and try to drag your name through the mud. But you can't accept when you're wrong, bro. You can't accept say you didn't mix up with the wrong people them. Not that type problem, you know. So this is your pushback against your brother. And anybody will never watching brother reasoning. I'm not going to spend the whole day I go through two of them. But this time reaction from his brothers. Reasoning. See? Hear him reaction.
Me no vex. But me not telling how the situation feel to me, right? And I with all love and due respect, me say this. It's how it feel to me as a man. I mean, I have to just say this. It come like me did a fight with 5 man and me have a ratchet. And the man them have dealers and me get couple chop already. Then back me up in a corner and me look down the road. Me see my brother run come with a long machete. So I catch back a strength now. And me say, yo, watch ya. I start fight back car. My brother got reach now, help me out. And when my brother reach him, chop me out. That's exactly how that feel. But it don't mean to me hate him. It means to me understand. So whatever direction.
Them way they pre, bro. You really think say some man that fight you. And curly locks when me sit by your side. When me see as a brother to you. Me see, is that me not see you back in the days, me not see you without see curly. And you really believe you're really looking at the camera, brother. And put that out there. It shows you not learn, bro. It shows your ego. Still I get the best of you, bro. Yeah, man. As much as how me rate curly, I mean, I know if him rate me 100% sure say if me and you are a fight, or me and some man gang you, and curly locks see him now come now, they come help chop you. Me one listen me, listen me, man, there's no doubt in my mind. Say curly locks would stand with your brother. But you see, guess when you're too, you know, you see when you're overly zealous of becoming that person there, that philosopher there, that person there with deep. Sometimes you try to clean up. Yeah, man. It's like you're too qualified for your own good. Because that what you said no make no sense based on what TuLOX say, you know. Because the man reiterating at the video how many times say you are my brother And nobody can touch you and him not dead for you too. Or dead with you. The man I say, yo, I'm a brother that we are going to battle if I battle. But the man I say, yo, the people them we are mixed with that them cause this pan you and them I try bring you down now. That a problem, you know. That part they miss out pan, you know. At that part you know want to hear, you know why you don't want to hear that part there? Because your brother don't have the spotlight like the people them we have follow. Your brother too low key. Your brother too low key if you come tell the world say, I am your brother. Come up with that idea. I am your brother take on that fight. He come like right now you just say, yo, Kane are able thing, you know. Yeah man. You come like right now you want to believe so your brother Kane, you know. We don't want to kill you, able the chosen one, you know. Your brother never mean say more him that no dread. No, you think see your brother that come chop you up with the man them? You're wrong, my general man. If me was your brother, if I were Curly, me that feel hurt by that what you say. Yeah, me that say, John, me can't believe that.
That's exactly how that feel. But it don't mean I hate him. It means I understand. So whatever direction and decision him take in the matter, I just feel opinion. Just like how me sit down and say I want to have opinion for everybody. That's just my brother opinion. This is why I can't malice my brother or vex with my brother over none of them things. You see me? I just me and my brother from the womb to the tomb. That never ever change. But it don't mean say the situation never hurt me. I'm not above criticism, but belief not change reality, bro. Action to that. See? So people's perception of me immune to that now. You have some people them strive off oppression.
You know, say, same way how you hurt. So your brother publicly chastise you. Can me see it as your brother basically. I say you're a man, you're a big man. If you just stand up in the purge, people them turn against you now you think say people not change like weather. You forget your way. You forget your way that people gonna be people, brother. Today them say Ray, tomorrow them see them out, them say boo. That your brother I tell you saying, bro. But let me ask you a question. The same way you said your feelings hurt. The same way you say, yo, you feel like your brother that chop you up with the man them. It has to be blood brothers people feelings hurt. You have to be blood brothers with somebody if you consider their feelings. I understand say your blood brother. And you can't believe say your blood brother come out here come say yo. You have to just take your beating. Because it's a mental beating you get or a psychological beating. See? Not a physical one. The spiritual beating you get. But more, if people want your brother, see, are your brothers. If you consider their feelings too, or it's just a blood-related thing. Because, in truth, you know, the whole of we are brother, you know. In truth, brother, the whole of we are brother, you know. Especially if you come across as a real brother to a brother. You can hurt that person's feelings too. But that you have to understand, you know. No. If this so wrong with your brother do, that you believe him that come chop you up if you see someone that chop you up. You know somebody feel that way about you too? Because me the thing say rate me, you know. Me the thing say, yo, people like TuLOX and Curly Locks based on, you know, we never yet have no bad energy towards each other. When you call me if you come studio, me show up. When you call me if you come do video, me show up. You see, me never yet hide no glory when it comes down to, you know, smarts or intelligence. Me don't think one time say if you see someone that chat me up in here that come help, you know. If you ease them off, you know. And I said, no man, Vega, you're a good youth, man. Me the think say one time you was a person, you know. Me the think say you were the type of person, if you see some people that chat me up, you that they come and say, oh no, the man, I the singer that man. Oh no, do not idiot. Them youth are real youth. Me the think that boy you one time, you know. But me not gain. Yeah, but me not gain a reason to think them weird, eh? Cause your name called Panchea Kenneth. But it leave me now to wonder, say, all of them time that when you used to link me up and say, yo, studio and video and them something there. Me I wonder now, say, if you did real, if you that pre them thing that them time there. You see? And that me I wonder, you know, me must say, me and your reason up on phone and them thing the energy. You see? I must say, I hear number this energy. You see? We see about that twin of twins. You see? But I must say, a reason we actually a reason in a way, bro. So, me I think say, you would have come see some people that chat me up and say, yo, you can't do that to the singer. You understand me? I say, somebody do wrong about you too. So how way do you feel when your brother correct you? Like John, it hurt you. If you say your brother correct you. Then that's how I did feel, man. When you see me a tell footer hype say, I lie my tell pan the little youth. When you see me a tell footer hype say, him a call for them hurt the little youth. And I make them a make up things. You know think say you could have just link me off the year upon the same number here. The same number here, bro. You know think say you could have just link me. Zine, the same number here.
Yeah man, my boss them money can go check it out.
Yeah, go you have to go, you say?
Hey bad brother, I don't see 1 and 2 when I try all the righteousness. Me, you foot on my brother. And couple moment, cause the rest of them say they rest. Everybody are the artist. Hey bad brother, I don't see 1 and 2 when I try all the righteousness. Me, you foot on my brother. And couple moment, cause the rest of them.
So when you all tell me say, me, you and footer uphold righteousness, you never did mean it. Then those things say, you as a youth to me, rate. Zine, me rate you to the point of my baby mother, is it burn me. I'm soon make a joke or fight. It never offend me, no me laugh, you know. I found it so hilarious that me all laugh when I say, hold out your hand. You see, and I keep Gallis class. Remember I say Gallis class, you know. And me when I create that offer, you know. Even after I come and shoot music video, we don't know, sing song, we don't know, do feature, we don't know. Remember I say, I found it so hilarious when I say, hold out your hand and yeah. I say, yo. So, them time when you link me and I say, me and you foot out uphold righteousness. I mean, I talk long time. Me attack. This is not 2020. You see? You know, when COVID and you don't know we don't have much things to do and with it and we attack on the internet and I try to teach people and I try to So, when you say them things that to me, you never mean it. Because I remember you said the other day, say, you hate me first, you know, brother. That, you know, as a brother, now we call me a blood brother. But we are brothers in the eyes of God. You see? We are brothers, we come from the same earth, you know. We are brothers in music. and comedy and whatever we do. You know, things that hurt. Or because me, you know, blood related, it not really count. It not really count. You know, things that hurt when you hear me at say footer. You know, have to add on nothing upon what the youth do. The youth get tricked by a somebody who dress up like woman. And the things I want to say the youth do, him never did that do. If you did know, say, boy, if you get loud or something there, you know, you could have just reach out to me on the phone and say, singer, loud that, you know, because you know, them people are staring them and go walk, you know, call your name and disrespect you, you know, hurry. I mean, I say, singer, you don't, artist, you don't know, you know. I'm a wicked for you, you know. You know, so I go loud them. Because sometimes all it needs, you know, all it needs is just like a great mind, you know. Sometimes you just take you off a certain, like, me we all go make all alive and go talk about something, man. You know? He might say, loud that, man. Or Meg say, where you go? Loud that. And me just put them back my phone. Sometimes it just takes a great mind, you know, you see what I say? Somebody where you respect, you know, somebody where you look up to, you know. The man who said, me used to look up to you. It never dawned on you that, like, the way how you went out there to say, Vegas said, I think you one day. Member say your name called Pambati thing, you know. Member say, you know, and clear that off your name again. Member say, the whole dance hall, have your name Pambati thing, you know. You know, things that it hurt. Or because me and a blood brother. Me and a blood related. Me no feel my feelings never count. Though. Only because you're related by blood to your brother. That's why he hurt you. Or that's why I count. I know so it will go, my G. I know so it will go. If you go like the way how my teacher, Mikey Bennett, and maybe your teacher if you have him in that regard. Would that call me half the year or call me half the year and correct me? That's how if you go, you know. Me and you not supposed to have no form of back and forth on the internet, you know. To the point where I say, are you hate me first? The point where I try to shake you up my name. Me and you not supposed to have them type of conversation upon the internet, brother. For real, you know. And I like say, me and you never know each other, never, you know, cross path yet and them thing there. You just see me in a music and you just don't know me, you don't know. It's like, me and you reason upon the phone, me and you depass music set, you call me, you and your brother want to call me if you come participate in that things. I remember saying, no, watch your life wicked, you know. The foot of them where you go stand up with, you know, I show you one of the reasons why your brother right. See? Because I really foot type your brother want burn out, make him come talk publicly, you know. But him can't look like him biased. Him can't look like say, yo, him not say you heard. So him have to just clear the ear with that first. And make the people them know say, me not agree with my brother do, you know. But him have to just take him beating. I really foot time want burn out, you know. What you do when you see my burn out footer now and you come out come say your brother hurt you and make it look like say you're in your feelings, it actually make it look to footer like say 2 hours on the team up against footer. That's how it come off, you know. It come off as like you and your brother would not team up and done him if him try to fight you know, physically. Because remember saying come back out days after and I say, yo, some man remember who name footer hype, you know. Some of us know, you know, I want to some man. It sounds like say, when I be divided, I remember saying, you know, united we stand, divided we fall. That you have to understand, you know. So, what your brother try to tell us, you know, in my view, he might try to say, him want you. Him tell you about them. I know him alone want you. All me want you too. Because I know say foot of them can't tame. Foot of them have good things in them heart, you know. But enough bad things in there too. maybe more bad things than good things. But there comes a time when Foota, them can be good people. Or Foota can be a good person. You see? Foota can actually be a great person, you know. But you know, so you have to just accept, say, him extreme on him view, in him views, them, with him views. And I just him that. But him will left your road. He will turn against you with that blink of an eye. Because him learn it from him school where him grew up in. At that him learned, you know. From how him grew up in the camp where him grew up in the music. Him learn that. Him learn from the camp where him grew up in and say, yo, from the people in him circle, not good with the next artist, him not good with them neither. Remember say, them man they not have no objectivity when it comes down to certain things, you know. Them man they loyal to the core, to the point where they may not hurt you if you want somebody when them apart within a problem. Even if you and them not have nothing, them not diss you, style you. Remember say we feel the hands of them, you know. You see your brother? What your brother are doing, you know? He might remind you, say, a years you know in a music. You and him do music for years. I mean, never see Foota High play one of no song them, you know. The same Foota where you eulogize and the same Foota where you know, massage him ego and I romanticize him name. Foota them, me never hear Foota them play one of your song, one of no song, you know. Never. I remember say when you did that do music, you know. Remember say when you voice for enough rhythm we come a road, you know. You ever Foota ever play one of the song yet? That is what your brother is saying to you. But you see your ego again in your way youth. Your ego again in your way. This
Somebody fuck you when you smile like a sucker wood. You suck good Foota. You have to suck good at some point.
Watch it. Watch this.
Somebody fuck you when you smile like a sucker wood. You suck good Foota. You have to suck good at some point in time. If you're so obsessed with body and bro, something happened to you when you little or something. This is not just normal something, king man. This is not normal one anti-finger you somewhere along the line every time you see some homosexual thing. It's a trigger. You have an inner shiba that struggle with. You cry out for help and self-destruct in front of the whole world and nobody don't see it. Somebody money say, man. You can't say you're one of them. You cry alone and drop the sheet on their neck and a ball go bed at night time. You can't see it. If you say right now, if you tell us that you need a doctor, the first thing flash by your mind not Beanie Man. You go feel me and tell if you with Beanie Man. You need serious help.
No. TuLOX, you never watch it. You never watch what your brother say. You're wicked. You see, that's something you tell me one time, so me too emotional. You way past emotional, brother. Yeah, man. When you wicked this thing, you know something I hate you. Me rate you, fuck. And that I wicked this thing. That's why me come on alive, you know. Because my sister, it's a facade. My sister, you just have to put on a show, brother. Yeah, man, it's a show you put on. You cater to an audience. Because you know what I know? Every chance you get it, oh, me have 99,000 subscribers. Them 99,000 subscribers are what me have. Me have 99 subscribers. Like how one time you reason and me think say, like you want to say your brother grudge you for your elevation or, you know, wish for your reach in a vlogging world. Brother, vlogging relevance are foolishness, you know. When compared to people who are successful in the music or people who have other jobs, you know. Because you see, vlogging world, brother, all it takes, you know, is just one internet shutdown, you know. All it takes, is just a cyber warfare, All it takes, brother, is just YouTube to get some form of lawsuit and them have to shut down. Remember MySpace and them platform there? Nobody never know them that shut down, brother. TikTok soon gone, Right now, TikTok slow down to the point where the people when they charge a bag of money to promote music or to dance to your music. Right now, I match, miss them over there match, I try sustain, Yeah. But this video, you didn't watch it. You never watch what your brother say. You know why you never watch it? Or fully watched it? You know why? Because you made up your mind already. Say your brother against you. You made up your mind already, say your brother, vex say you do better than him. Yeah. And them thing you feel like a brother. You see TuLOX way. And maybe you're evil long time, Because remember say Cain kill Abel, Maybe you're evil long time and I just hit your show now. See? Maybe I just Cain right now. I show him true self. But just in case that person that me know, the person that I knew earlier on in the music, yeah? The person who sit down in a studio and make song together, the person who come for a video shoot and you treat me with respect and, yeah. If that person is still there, welcome back. Yeah, man. Your brother no mean and harm you. Your brother just tell you the truth, man. But him tell you make people hear, and that's the problem. You never want nobody hear, your brother tell you the truth. Sometimes your mother have to come at the school gate, come wax you, Because she talk to you in the yard and she talk to you and she tell you a bag of things that you not hear. So she just come for you at school. You know, so she hate you. So she would have never stand up and make people beat you. She just thinks, she reach the end of her road, So she'll make one last try. She just come for you at the school gate. I'm just embarrassed in front of everybody. You are the best behaved picnic. You pay you start get. I not say it right, but sometimes at the last means of correction. Yeah, man. Because she have to set a statement, she have to send out a message to even the teacher them say, you are not same stay when they're home, So don't think that this is coming from the home. Him just come to school and act up. But I go come teach him a lesson. I teach her a lesson. And sometimes the best lesson, it come with little, a little one bruise. I can't do violence against children, but sometimes it come with a little one bruise. Where it's the embarrassment that we remember mama come up at school. Yeah. You nah mess up again. So basically your brother does make you know say. I want about them boy that we hang out with. I want with them boy that want put your neck on the block for. You see? That him did I do. Kind of the same video. He make you know when think about foot hype. So how you have it in your mind say him that team up with footer hype them against you when him clearly did a video tell footer hype the most things and you think them that team up with them? Stop it, brother. Stop it. It's over. It's done, brother. Excuse me. Get back to the TuLOX. The little comedy one who used to give enough joke and them thing there. You get too serious, man. You see what I say? You can't fight for righteousness' sake, brother. But you don't have to be extreme to the point where if you err, people point back on you, brother. You see what I say? Yeah, man. You don't have to be extreme. Fight for righteousness. But do it with kindness, brother. You agree? Why I think when I sit down with Jeffrey, so much people had a problem with it? Because you never forward with that type of, demeanor, that type of person where positive things on the balance level there. You never forward and make it look like you would have to sit down with a Jeffrey and correct him. So when them see you sit down with Jeffrey too, you're extreme, they must say, yo, why you have to sit down there, so? You see? But you have to remember, bro, And enough of who go to school. Because enough of the man them attack not go to school, you know. Enough of them not go to school. You see what I say? You have to remember, so when you teach, you can't be selective. You see Jesus in the Bible? It's a great story, you know. It's just how them use the story. But it's a great story, you know. Well, you have a few things where you have to be careful of. But you see Jesus, and this may go left on the way. You see Jesus? Them said Jesus was sent to save the Israelites. You see when him forward, him realize them people them don't want to get saved. Them people that kill them want to kill him. See? That him find out, you know. So you know him do? Him just say, yo, may I save everybody. So when the woman will bleed for how much days, how much months, how much years or whatever she bleed for. When she came and the people them say, move, thinking woman. Go ahead, don't touch the master. Go ahead, dirty girl. Him just say, don't run her. Because her faith is so strong. She believes if she just touch my robe, she'll get better. The blind man, them same thing. Discrimination. The people them around him say, yo, hey, dirty boy, move. Go bed. Jesus said, no man. Robe something and just put over your eye. And all the them story in the Bible where you can really. If you deal with the righteousness, you know, because someone will not fight for righteousness sake, you know. Someone will not fight for the sake of getting the little YouTube money. The sake of getting the likes and the views them. And a righteousness sake. You see? But righteousness sake means all are welcome. Because you take it up on your head to be a teacher, brother. That are the thing, you know. So you can see the students them come to learn. And you just divide the classroom in 3 different sections. And say, oh no, I don't want to listen to me teaching or talking at the class or asking a question. Because I know I come to teach. As a matter of fact, when I come out of my class. No. So find back yourself, youth. Your brother don't mean no harm, man. And me don't mean no harm, brother. It's just a reaction of your action, bro. Facts. Me no hate you. Me see some man tomorrow, I chop you up, and me have a rat chick, me da jump on your side. God know. Me da step right in, so I eat that a TuLOX that have to kill me too. Yeah. Because I see respect when me have for you and your brother from day one, it not gone away. It is just in a lot of mud, contaminated waters. But real gold can wash off and good again as yesterday. See? Big up on yourself. Go on, Nigel Bouncy.